Why do we need sleep?
Sleep is essential for overall health and brain function. While you rest, your brain is hard at work. It uses this time to process information, recover from daily stress, and prepare you for the day ahead. Without enough sleep, both your mind and body struggle to function at their best.
What happens in the brain during sleep?
Your brain cycles through different stages of sleep. These include light sleep, deep sleep, and rapid eye movement, or REM sleep. Each stage plays a unique role in restoring the brain's energy, clearing waste, and supporting learning and memory.
How does sleep improve memory?
During sleep, especially deep and REM stages, your brain strengthens new memories. It sorts and stores information you learned while awake, turning short-term memories into long-lasting ones. This process, called memory consolidation, helps you recall facts, skills, and experiences.
Does sleep help your brain recover?
While you sleep, your brain repairs itself. It clears out harmful toxins and waste products that build up during the day. This cleaning process helps protect brain cells, lowers the risk of diseases, and keeps the mind sharp.
What happens if you don't get enough sleep?
Lack of sleep can harm your brain. It affects your mood, memory, and ability to think clearly. Long-term sleep deprivation increases the risk of mental health problems and can make learning or decision-making more difficult. Prioritizing good sleep is important for a healthy brain.